Hello guys, welcome to Susan's Place. If this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be the first to be notified. So today I'll be teaching you how to make a face scrub that beautifies, clears pimples, moisturizes, clears acne, and just leaves the face moisturized and beautiful. This face scrub glows the face. It makes the face glow and flawless and so beautiful and lovely. So guys, in this video all we're needing is just two items. First is a honey. Honey is a very good skin repeller. Honey, we already have 2 tablespoons of our honey measured out, and the second is our oat powder, which we'll be needing. So you can see our honey is very thick in this video, so I'll be using a double boiler. I'll be putting this in a double boiler just to make it lighter and look more flexible to mix. So stay tuned guys. So you can see our honey has melted, it has dissolved. So this is the point where we add our oat powder. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oat powder to this mixture. 1 tablespoon of oat powder, and then I'll stir. So guys, if you want to lighten up your face a little bit, this can also help you, but then you'll be adding some drops of lemon. Let's say a tablespoon of lemon would do. It will lighten you a little bit. You can use this 3 times a week at most, or at least 3 times a week. It will give you that glowing and beautiful face, that pimple-free face. It will beautify your face. So guys, you can add lemon to this if you want to clear dark spots and lighten up your face a little bit more. So guys, I'm gonna be using this on my face because right now I have some pimple on my face, so I'm gonna be using this on my face, and after 1 week everything will be gone guys. So this is very effective for pimple. It's a scrub. You use this by rinsing your face with warm water. First washing your face with warm water, and then you apply this on your face and leave it for 30 minutes, and then wash off with warm water without applying any other thing on your face. You can do it overnight. It's best you use that night. So guys, you can see the texture is very nice guys. You see this? Apply this on your face and you're gonna love it. I'll be applying this on my face guys, and then you see how it looks like. Yeah, I'm done, and this is it. After 30 minutes I'll go wash it off, and then you would see I'll be doing this for 3 times a week, and then my face will come back to its normal pimple free face. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you.